If you are currently looking for a new medium camera, you can take a look at this list we made about some best medium format cameras for 2020. Fujifilm GFX 50R. This camera from Fujifilm is a mirrorless camera with a medium format sensor. It comes with 43.8 x 32.9mm sensor sizes and has 51.4 megapixels resolution. This compact and lightweight camera is known to produce sharp images, advanced color reproductions, and high-performance lenses. It also has an ISO range of 100 to 12,800 and is expandable to 50 to 102,400. Comes with a shutter speed of up to 1 to 4,000 seconds. This camera is definitely perfect for those who are looking for a new medium camera. Leica S3. This camera from Leica comes with 30 x 45mm sensor sizes with 64 megapixels resolutions. It also has an ISO sensitivity of 100 to 50,000 and can record video in 4K 24 frames per second format. Despite its heavy and large size, this camera is still a good choice for professionals who are looking for a new medium camera. This Leica S3 is sold for $19,000. Pentax 645Z. This Pentax 645Z comes with 43.8 x 32.8mm sensor sizes and 51.4 megapixels resolutions. It is also known for its wide ISO sensitivity ranging from 100 to 104,800. The shutter speed range of this camera can reach up to 1 to 4,000 seconds to 30 seconds. This Pentax 645Z has dimensions of 156 x 117 x 123mm and weighs 1,555 grams for body only. Hasselblad X1D 50C. This camera has a 43.8 x 32.9mm dimensions and 50 megapixels resolutions. This mirrorless camera is wrapped on a compact and retro design despite its actual ability to record video. This camera also comes with Full HD 1080 pixel 25 frames per second format. It also has a wide ISO range from 100 to 25,600. The shutter speed range of this camera can reach 1 to 2,000 seconds to 60 minutes. This 725 grams camera is sold for $5,850. Fujifilm GFX 100. This mirrorless camera comes with a 43.8 x 32.9mm sensor and 102 megapixel resolutions. Its ISO range can reach 100 to 12,800 and can be expanded up to 50 to 25,600. This camera uses an MPT-12 type battery with 1,250 mAh capacity. Sadly, you have to struggle a little bit as this camera weighs 1.4 kilograms for body only. However, you can rest assured as it can withstand extreme temperatures from -10 Celsius to 40 Celsius. You also have to remember that this camera is not cheap. It would be sold for around $10,000 on Amazon. Press 1 XF IQ4. This unique camera comes with a thick and large body with a prism type viewfinder. It is also packed with a sensor measuring 53.4 times 40mm with 150 megapixel resolutions. This Phase 1 XF AQ4 is a favorite of many professionals as it can produce excellent quality images that are sharp and detailed. It also has dimensions of 152 times 135 times 160mm and weighs 1,890 grams for body only. This camera is sold for $51,990 US. This camera can produce images with 400 megapixels resolutions. It also has 53.4 times 40mm sensor, and the ISO range ranges from 64 to 12,800. The shutter speed range of this camera is 1 to 2000 seconds to 60 minutes. Thus, this Hasselblad H60 400C is perfect to capture subjects at high speed and slow-moving objects at once. This 1,678 grams camera is sold for $47,000 US.